Like obviously we were ready that we wanted a guide just for the permission purpose. So हमें पता चल रहा है कि क्योंकि वो हमें देखकर इतना रिस्क ले रहा है और हमें मजा आ रहा है. ऐसे कोई गाइड रखता नहीं है कभी किसी को.
So we'll try our best to to summit.
Surviving the night is important
And also
right
and to summit our peak by tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, I think so. Puneet, look the craziness of this guy. You can see.
This is love. This is real
He doesn't do
love.
all this bullshit in Delhi. But right now he's out of his mind. That is the beauty of nature. He's not able to control his excitement. Oh my god, crazy guy. Really looking awesome, man.
Yes, I'm looking super cool.
Yeah. And because of this snow, it's like I'm really watching something, भैया so loud. भैया बहुत loud है.
She has shoes. She is toughness of shoes, man. This is us. This is us. This is. Where is it?
What do you want to show, man? Oh,
Man, my heart.
Oh shit. No problem. People know this jacket, man.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. We are at
The same place.
same place. You can see the last night what we saw, and tomorrow in the morning today what you are seeing here. It's phenomenal, amazing,
Powder ski.
fresh snow. Rohan bhai, this is for you. I hope you are watching this video.
This is not Aaj Tak Live, bro.
And so Pankaj,
Pankaj is waiting for you, man.
good morning, guys. Now,
Energy is low.
no, it's not. Energy is not low.
So speak loud, man. You were speaking loud from the last 2 days.
It's just that it's
Ha
almost
ha
around
ha.
8 o'clock in the morning, and we are still stuck at Juda ka Talab, and you can see. Please come. So
I hope.
this you guys have seen yesterday, which we have made a video for all of you. Now today you can see that place. You can see that is Juda ka Talab. It's almost gone, and see the depth of the snow. It's almost it's coming to me. Let's Pankaj will help you out with the same. So Pankaj, I am going and you will be accompanying, right?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Wait. Let me be ready, bro. Yeah. 1, 2, and go.
Come on, guys. So what we are doing now, Pankaj? It's a route opening.
Yeah. It's a route opening down the hill because we are the first person who are walking on this fresh snow.
Yes. Guys, you can see it's a very fresh snow. See the quality of the snow. It's
Awesome, man.
I think Rohan bhai will be very happy to see this. See, also snowfall is happening.
It's very heavy.
So if you are coming here, please.
Wait. If you don't know the way, na, just put your first step forward and feel it. Don't go towards the lake. Because इस टाइम में ऐसे स्ट्रगल भी नहीं होगा अगर पानी में गिरेंगे ना.
No, no, I am aware about the route.
Yeah, that's the reason I am tense, man. That you are aware about the route.
Almost, if Pankaj can show you 360-degree view.
That is our nice homestay, or you can say our 5-star hotel room. Awesome
And this
view.
is me.
And this is as usual our reporter Vineet. और ये आपका
Yes, I think this
जूड़ा का तालाब.
see the condition here. We are not
Start
allowed to
from
go-
there. If you can see, there's some little watery image. That is the talab, and this talab is covered with snow.
and we are
So
not
it's very
allowed-
difficult to find out if you are new to the place.
till
but there is
here
a board
only we
over
are
here.
allowed to come.
Could you just help them out with the board?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, but don't cross the board.
Yeah, I'm
Remember that. Yeah. कृपया तालाब में जूते ना ले जाएं. मतलब बिना जूते के भी ना जाए.
Because this
ये
is
गलत
our
लिखा है.
second
इसका
place.
मतलब है कि बिना जूते को भी ना जाए. मतलब कृपया तालाब में जूते ना ले जाए.
अभी तो
अपने
वैसे
आप को
अपने
भी
आप
ना
को
ले
ही
जाए. हाँ. For it, because we have to go from that side inside these trees and then cross it. Behind this mountain, there's on the left side there's the base camp and then the Kedarkanta peak. But this snow, like from last 2 days, it's been like continuous, man.
Live here from Juda ka Talab, or you can say Jadu ka Talab, whatever you want to say.
It's minus, I think.
10 for sure.
I
Because
feel
our-
like it's minus 10. Yeah,
yeah, because our, you
easily
know,
minus 10.
because fingers are, you know,
Yeah.
but
So this is something I would say that awesome, man. Seriously. एक तो altitude उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, ऊपर से इतनी ज़्यादा snow, chilling weather, and हर कोई survive में ही है. अगर survival, वैसे तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ locals रुके हुए हैं, टेंट ज़्यादातर खाली है क्योंकि सब लोग नीचे जा चुके हैं. Locals भी अब बस नीचे जाने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं.
and no one is coming.
But this
you
is the
know,
situation when you can feel the real struggle and the
and just
adventure
for
also.
information, guys, the track has been stopped a day before only.
Yeah.
So
And base camp is closed. As you can see, it's very like soft snow. And if you are putting our leg inside, it's like half of the leg is inside. And
and this
man,
is
it's struggling. It takes a lot of energy and a lot of equipments also in case of emergencies. We are trying forward. We need equipments. But as well as we have to use our mind also.
that's why we are trying to, you know, halt it for today.
Yeah.
Here only.
We want to see like excitement is important, but the thing is mind should also be working.
Patience.
In case
what
we'll
we
try for this and something happen, that is a bad thing, right? Awesome, man. सबको आना चाहिए था यार, सबको आना चाहिए था. ये होता है instant plan. एक दिन पहले he asked me that we'll go.
जाना है तो जाना है.
I said okay, let me ask, let me try, and then I'm here. So that is the best thing because ऐसे सिनेरियो के लिए अगर कोई इंसान 50 दिन भी प्लान करे तो मैं नहीं मानता कि उसे मिल पाएगा. क्या, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर क्या होता है ऐसे प्लान्स में, या तो आपको नीचे से आने नहीं दिया जाएगा, खुद आप ट्राई करेंगे तो वो रिस्क फैक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Most of us must be
Look at that
thinking how
throw,
we
how
are
he's
still here.
feeling the snowman. Huh?
Most of us maybe you're thinking how come we are here also in this kind of weather also, but this all is you want, or maybe what you required is only a willpower. That's
True. Let's go back.
it. Yes, signing out, guys.
Signing out because it's very. Let's go. Rush towards our camp. Oh, sorry. Our dhaba. or our hut, whatever we can call it. This is wild beneath. Running in the snow, feeling crazy.
That to -10. This is the way we run.
Oh my god.
Beneath. So this is normally we clean it.
Normally we clean it.
Yes.
Yeah, we do.
So when you are, next time when you are going and if you find this kind of snow, so try to clean your shoes, at least your sole as soon as possible, because these dirt are really important. So it should be
Always
without
clear.
any, obstacles. So you'll be able to, move down very easily.
Now Vineet will have some सूजी का हलवा. हाँ?
जीरा तालाब में पक रहा है.
जूड़ा का तालाब.
हलवा खाओ.
ऐसा है सर.
मजा आ गया.
हाँ भाई जी का हाथ का.
पर भाई जी चाय में तो चीनी ना डालते हैं और हलवे में कम.
कम हो गया.
हलवे में थोड़ा कम है, ज्यादा नहीं.
नहीं
मतलब मीठा है.
ये बढ़िया है इतना. ज़्यादा सूजी के साथ.
So this is halwa.
क्या बात है. थैंक्स फॉर द रिव्यू. I'm holding the bloody tripod right now. So that is very uneasy for me right now. Look at the flying bird. Little bird.
Three, 4 feet below, and now you can see the snow.
Seriously,
We need it here.
this is for skiing, man.
Left hand side of yours. What is the condition as of now?
हाँ.
See the condition.
हाँ. Awesome, यार. Oh fuck. Want to see the way? Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Whoa, whoa. Hope you guys to see my walking. No problem. It's a fall. A song by Vineet.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते,
तेरे बिना क्या
वजूद मेरा
तुझसे जुदा अगर
हो
जाएंगे तो खुद
से ही
हो जाएंगे खफा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा
दर्द भी,
मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो,
क्योंकि
तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
मेरी आशिकी आशिकी,
ओह माय गॉड,
अब तुम ही हो, हाँ तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो।